Hey guys, so the slide that you're about to see has a bunch of different number bonds, and what I want you to do is go through and find either the big whole or the little part of each number bond. So the first one, I've done it for you. So I know that 10 is a little part and 10 is a little part, and when I have 10 and 10 together, I made 20, so I put that right up here. The next one says 10 is a little part and 5 is a little part. Think in your brain of what would be the big whole or how many there are in all for this number bond. When you get to the next slide, you can write it in with your drawing tool that comes right here. For these two on the bottom, it gives us the big whole and one little part. So you need to find how to get the other little part. So I see that there's 10 here, and I can count on 10, 11, 12, and then I can put that number here. Or I can use my big whole 12 and take away 10 to see what my other little part could be. Okay, have fun.